Okay, so let's begin with my favorite quote that no matter how stressed or sad you are, you should always be ready to put up your best show. You know, there are a lot of people in this world who they might be your secret admirers, or they might like a quality of yours in some aspect, right? And they get inspired by you or motivated by you. But sometimes life is not, like I would say, a constant path. It is a path which is having ups and downs. But it is how you take things, right? So the thing is, I doesn't mean कि आपका कितना भी आप स्ट्रेस हो या आप स्ट्रेस हो, should not be like कि you should be repenting over things, right? You should always be ready to put up your best show, because you never know, somebody might have got inspired or motivated by your actions. Okay, so whatever you have, whichever circumstances you are going through, but you should always be smiling, because a smile can bring a lot of happiness and can make people around you happy. And with this beautiful quote, I, Bhumika Sharma, welcome you all to my computer class. Okay, and let's introduce our topic for today. So up till the previous video, we have studied about chapter number 4, which was we were studying about the formatting features in MS Word. Okay, 2007. And then now we are going to move on to the next level, which is advanced features of 2007. Now you'll be wondering that, ma'am, advanced to wo bhi tha. Yes, that was advanced, but that was related to your page, that how well you can put up your text, how you can maintain I would say consistency in your pages, how you can align your text, how you can apply the margins, and how you can well present your page, right? Up till now you studied about the page layout and things, landscape, orientation, this orientation, that orientation, indenting, alignment, and formatting text, heading, header, footer, all this stuff you have already studied, right? But now what you have to do is you will understand about formatting features, advanced features of MS Word. Okay, so the chapter is advanced features of MS Word. Okay, and the word version which we are going to study is, there are some insect onto my okay, sorry for disturbance. So what you have to do is, it is 2007. In your book it's given 2007, but because if you are viewing this particular desktop view, then you can easily see that it's not 2007, it's the updated version of MS Word. But the thing is कि this is computers, change होता है version, but features वही रहते हैं, right? थोड़े बहुत add on हो जाते हैं, तो वो थोड़ा बहुत different होगा, that I'll tell you what is different from which thing. I'll even Google up for you people here itself, okay? Because I'm on screen recording mode, okay? So we are going to begin with advanced features of MS Word, which is given on page number 46. It's given on page number 46 of your book. बहुत बातें करती हूँ मैं. Page number 46 of your book, and here we go, right? So the first topic that we have been introduced is finding the text. For example, let me just clear all the notifications which are coming over here, because they are all disturbing a lot. Okay, so finding the text. For example, you are given with a huge document. Abhi to you can just see a lot of text beautifully presented in some type, and there is a hotspot in the document, right? But what if you would have got a document like this, and I ask you to find out the word, I would say, mini. Okay, then what you would have done is, you would have seen like this. And my 5-year daughter, one morning, for instance, when I was in the midst of the 17th chapter of my new novel, my little Minnie, then you discovered, oh, Minnie is here. But what if this Minnie would have come earlier, or previously you would have read it, but it got mistakenly missed. Okay, so what you can do is you can find the text very easily. You can find this text very easily by clicking on the find button in editing group. What you can do? You can click on find button in editing group. Now you will say, ma'am, editing group kahan hai? I'll tell you. This is clipboard, this is font, we already studied, this is paragraph, okay, and this is styles, and here is this editing group. Let me just show you with my lens, okay. Let me just find out magnifier. Okay, so editing group, where is it? Editing group is here. Editing group is here, okay. So you can easily see. Let me increase the size. Where is editing group? Editing group is here, this side. Can you see this editing group? Here you can see this find, you can see the replace, and you can see select. These three options are available in the editing group. So if you want to find anything, so what you can do is just go to the editing group. This is the font group, this is paragraph, this is styles, and this is editing group, okay. So you can easily go to the editing group and you can click on find button, okay, because this is the updated version of this. So of MS Word. So for you people, I have taken a snapshot of MS Word 2007. In MS Word 2007, whenever you will click find, you're going to have a dialog box which will appear in front of you all, okay, because I already searched. So that is why this came out to be here. Now let's do it. When I clicked on find, I want to find mini. Okay, I want to find the word mini. Now you can see that as soon as I wrote mini, I found 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times mini is there in this particular section of the document, right? So if you want that, you can search the page as well where it is, or if you want, you can do in any way you want. Okay, so you just have to, what you have to do is you have to go to the find option. Find what? Write the word, and then you can find. You can read the highlighted word, or you can choose on whichever option you want to choose. Now, for example, you want to replace any text. For example, मैंने कोई story रखी and I want to replace mini with I want the name Lisa. Lisa name मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, right? So what I want to do is I want to replace mini with Lisa. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go to the replace option. This font dialog box will appear. Okay, font dialog box will appear. I want to replace mini with mother, or I want to Lisa के साथ में मैं इसको replace करना चाहती हूँ. If I want to replace one word, it will replace one. If I want to replace all the words which are there in this particular document, it will replace all. All done. We made 4 replacements. It's also counting 4. Every time what happens is the battery. Let me just. Okay. So 4 replacements were there. It counted 4 replacements, and it can now replace all the words which you have to replace. Now here you can see mini is replaced with Lisa. Okay, everywhere wherever mini was written, it's written Lisa over there. Okay, this is how we find and we replace the text by going to the editing option. Okay, editing option. Then we have next on page number 47, working with shape. 47 and 48. Open page number 48 on your page, and you can find working with shape. Okay. So if like everybody wants that the document should look beautiful or well presented, so if you want, you can add shapes onto your document, and what you can basically do is you can select by going through these steps. The first step is insert tab, second step is illustration, then you will go to the shapes option, and then you will choose the design. Okay, now how you are going to do it? फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरे को ये था कि आई वॉन्ट स्माइली ओवर हियर, ओके, आई वॉन्ट अ स्माइली ऑन दिस एरिया ऑफ माई पेज, ओके. सो व्हाट आई डू इज आई गो टू द इंसर्ट टैब. तो हम अपना मैग्नीफायर खोल लेते हैं ताकि आपको बहुत अच्छे से और बिल्कुल साफ और क्रिस्टल क्लियर नजर आए. ओके, so what you will do is you will go to insert tab. First step is you will go to insert tab. Insert tab कहाँ होती है? Home के पास में एक insert होती है. You will click over there. When you will click, you see what you would see. You see a cover page, blank page option, right? Then you have tables group, illustration group, add-ins, media, links, comment, header, footer, text, symbols. What you have to do is you have to click on illustrations. then illustrations पे आपको क्या करना है? click illustration group पर आपको क्या shape नजर आ रहा है? yes, draw a shape. okay, so let's do it. Let us first, you can make your own shape, but smiley is inbuilt over here, so we'll just take smiley, but this is coming in between, so let's stop it. And now we go to the shapes option. Can you see smiley somewhere? If it is visible, is it here? Yeah, smiley is here. But when you clicked on shapes, smiley didn't appear. Why? Because then whenever you're going to select any shape, a plus sign will appear on your document. Okay, is it visible? If it's not visible, I can again. Okay, so what you will see is you're going to see a plus sign. okay, whenever you will be selecting any shape, you will be seeing a plus sign. okay, but because my cursor is on lens mode, so that is why it cannot pick it. okay, so तो चीज काम की नहीं है, let's just ignore. So again, let us choose smiley. This plus sign, what it will do is, oh smiley, what happened? Smiley, huh? okay, so now I want my smiley over here. okay, अब now I paste it. okay, but what it's coming, it's overlapping the text which is there, which I wrote earlier. okay, so what I'll do is I'll try to manage its shape or try to shift up or down. How to shift it? What you can do is just go to the smiley option. Whenever you see this arrow, four-headed arrow, okay, so you just click, जैसे करते ना कि for example this is smiley, okay, and you have to keep it over here. So what you will do is you'll hold it and then you will keep it on the side. okay, so the same you have to do. Just click on the mouse, hold it and shift it up or down wherever you wish to. But now here the thing is, again it's like overlapping the text which I wrote earlier. okay, so now what I'll do is I'll try to reduce the shape of my smiley. How to reduce? This four-headed arrow is used to shift your shape up, down, sideways this time. okay, it is not going to decrease or increase the size of the shape. Which arrow will do that? This double-headed arrow. This double-headed arrow, what it will do is it is going to just hold this double-headed arrow and decrease its size. okay, you can decrease sideways, diagonally, you can decrease it as like this, increase like this, or you can also stretch. okay, थोड़ा सा creative mind करना पड़ेगा आपको इसके लिए. okay, so this is how you are going to do it. okay, but now what is that I want my smiley to be transparent, or I want that it should be of a different size. size मैंने बदल दिया इसका. I want to rotate, or I want to format this shape. मुझे blue color अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. I want it to be a yellow color because most of the smileys are emoticons basically. They are all yellow in color. So what I'll do is I'll click on, whenever I'll click an option, a format option will appear. okay, either you choose the color from here, this palette on the shape style, or you can also do one thing, you can shape fill. Shape fill mein, if you want that smiley, your smiley should have no fill, it should be transparent, then you may click on no fill. It's going to be a transparent one. Then you may keep it anywhere you wish to, everywhere, जहाँ पर भी आप चाहते हैं. okay, जहाँ पर भी आप चाहते हैं वहाँ पर आप इसको लेके आ सकते हैं, एंड इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू ओवरलैप, इट इज गोइंग टू ओवरलैप बट यू कैन सी द text visible. Okay, but for example I want that my smiley should be looking a little bit yellow. Okay, so whenever I'll double click on my smiley, this four-headed arrow will appear, and I want my smiley to be filled with a yellow color. Okay, I filled it with a yellow color. Now I want my smiley to outline with a different color, so what I did is I chose black color or a red color, whichever you wish to. Okay, and I have done the formatting effect. Now if you want that smiley should be you want a different view, this is a 3D view, मतलब आपको पेज से थोड़ा ऊपर उठा हुआ दिखाई देगा, और you can have a reflection कि जब आप reflection चाहते हैं उसकी you can have a reflection over here. Shadow effect, if you want your edges थोड़ा सा change हो जाए, rotation थोड़ी सी change हो जाए, देखिए 3D rotation हो गया. You can rotate your particular shape if you wish to. Okay, and if you want that अब मेरे को ये shape नहीं चाहिए, so what you can do is right click and then you can cut this particular shape and it will be gone. Okay, so again I'm repeating, if you want you can insert, go to the insert tab, illustration group, shapes, choose any shape you want to. For example मुझे lines चाहिए, so I want my document to have some lines, मैंने lines ले ली. अब lines can be of different color आ जाएगा, shape आ जाएगा, effect आ जाएगा. Okay, and then you will be able to present your document. Okay, because whenever you will be like in higher grades or when you will go to the college, then you are going to give some presentation, and whenever you are giving any presentations, these minute things, they can do wonders in your document. Okay, so this is all done. Now for example I want कि मेरे को अपने shape में text भी चाहिए, तो अभी मैंने लिख दिया यहाँ पर right click add text. Okay, so again let me prepare my canvas. मैं यहाँ पर ही कर देती हूँ, है ना, यहाँ पर ज़्यादा अच्छा है. Let me just delete this one. You can also delete your shape if you don't want it like looking ugly, or it's like not fitting appropriate to the document. Then you can just click four-headed arrow, जैसे ही आएगा you can go to the keyboard and then you may delete it. Okay, delete option से delete भी हो जाएगा. और मैं अब इसकी स्पेस कर देती हूँ कम. This you people already have learned, so I don't think that आपको इसमें कुछ पढ़ने की जरूरत है. Okay, again I want illustrations में I want कि मेरे को अपने मेरे स्टूडेंट्स ने मुझे बहुत अच्छी तरीके से टीचर्स डे पर बहुत अच्छी तरीके से सपोर्ट किया था, and my students are always happy, so I want to show a heart. I want to give them a heart and with a thank you written over it. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go to the insert tab, I'll choose heart. Okay, अभी जब मैंने चूज किया तो हार्ट मेरा बहुत छोटा था, बट मेरे बच्चे बहुत बड़े दिल वाले हैं, राइट? So what I'll do is I'll increase the size of the heart. Heart is not blue in color, so I want that my heart should be looking like a realistic one. So what I'll do is I'll fill it. I want to fill the color. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go to shape fill. I want to fill the color. I go to shape fill and I'll choose whichever color I want to choose. And now I want that my heart should be having a border as well. So I'll apply the border to my heart. ज़्यादा बड़ा नहीं है ये border, ज़्यादा दिख भी नहीं रहा है, but you can still. I want कि थोड़ा सा heart पेपर से थोड़ा सा ऊपर उभरा हुआ नजर आए. I want कि वो थोड़ा सा इफेक्ट अपना दिखाए. देखो, now you can see from the edges उसकी क्या हो रही है, sharp नहीं है, it's like kind of mold. Okay, so now what you can do is you can I want to thank my students for wishing me Teachers Day and for, like, I would say their heart. Oh, I'm overwhelmed with all the wishes and all the love that they have showered upon me. Okay, so what I'll do is I want to thank the students of class 4 and class 5, whoever is watching, or class 3 or class 2 or class 1, even my chote little toddlers. If you're watching it, thank you so much, and I want to show my love to them. So what I'll do is basically I'll take my cursor onto this particular shape which I've selected. I'll right click, and then what I can do is I'll add text. I'll click on add text. When I'll add text, this cursor will blink. Okay, whenever it will blink. So what I'll do is I'll change the size of my text. Then I'll change the color because red के ऊपर red is not going to look good. Okay, so मैंने change भी कर दिया size इसका. I want कि it should be like a classy one, Arial black, and I want कि वो थोड़ा सा bold हो. Okay, now from the keyboard I'll write thank you my dear students. So on screen keyboard खोल लेते हैं, छुमंतर का लिखंतर, और यहाँ पर आ गया हमारा स्क्रीन बोर्ड. ओके, तो ऑन स्क्रीन कीबोर्ड से हमने क्या करा, थैंक यू लिखना THANK. ओके, एंड देन आई वांट टू एंटर नेक्स्ट लाइन, थैंक यू माय kids. Okay, now see, it's not typing. Why? Because it was not having space. It was typing but it was not visible. Why? Because paper तो छोटा हो गया but वो लिखता चला गया. Okay, so what you can do is you can increase the shape of your particular document anytime you want. Okay, and now because I'm done, I'll close my keyboard. I want to place it somewhere in the middle or over here, and I did it. Okay, so this is how you are going to add text onto the shape. Shape select करेंगे, select the type, select the color, select the border, select the outline, whichever you wish to. Right click, उसके बाद में cursor will blink right from the keyboard, and then stop wherever you want to. If you want to write, if you want कि आपका text नहीं दिख रहा है, you are writing, try to zoom up the image, and then you will be done. Okay, so this is how we do it. Okay, and again these notifications are getting up on my mind. Okay, so now we are done with working with shapes. Now we want to insert word art. वर्ड आर्ट इंसर्ट करने के लिए, वर्ड आर्ट ऑल्सो इट्स अ फीचर, इसमें लिखा हुआ भी ऑन वर्ड आर्ट, यू विल फाइंड दी वर्ड आर्ट ऑन गिवन ऑन पेज नंबर 50. इंसर्टिंग वर्ड आर्ट, द वर्ड आर्ट फीचर अलाउज यू टू क्रिएट स्पेशल टेक्स्ट इफेक्ट. बहुत अच्छे टेक्स्ट इफेक्ट्स आते हैं, आपने देखा ही होगा कि ये कितने अच्छी तरीके से उभरा हुआ नजर आ रहा है, राइट. सो हाउ टू ऐड वर्ड आर्ट, इंसर्ट टेक्स्ट ग्रुप एंड देन यू विल ऐड वर्ड आर्ट. ओके, सो फर्स्ट गो टू इंसर्ट and then you are going to have text group. Where is text group? This one. Some people might not be able to see, और इससे अच्छा है कि हम कंप्यूटर महाशय को चश्मा पहनाते हैं. Okay, insert word art, and then this lens is finding what? How to insert word art. How to insert word art? You will have to go to text word art, text group, and then click on word art. Whenever you click on word art, you are going to have n number of options. Okay, so let's click on word art, n number of options, but because this is an updated version of Word, so that is why it is going to look like this, right? But if it's like if it was like inserting word art in 2007, so it had a different view. Let me just show you up. पहले हम इसको काट देंगे. Okay, now गूगल पर ही सर्च कर लेते हैं. Then I'll paste the picture over there in the document. Word art in MS Word 2007. Okay, so whenever you'll click on word art in MS Word 2007, you are going to have these options. Okay, now see the difference, but just a little difference. There is not much difference in, just अपडेट हो जाता है वर्जन की, उसको और ज्यादा अच्छी सी क्लैरिटी देने के लिए जस्ट दिस. ओके, सो व्हेनेवर यू आर क्लिकिंग वर्ड आर्ट फीचर in 2007, you are going to have these options. You can click from any anyone, and then you can start writing the text. Let me just show you how to insert. Okay, for example, I want कि मेरे को मेरा ग्रिड इस तरीके से नजर आना चाहिए, तो मैंने क्या करा, मैंने okay, so what I'll do is, let me first undo everything because it's getting up on my nerves. Okay, so whenever you click word art and then you selected the text whichever you wish to, text box will appear. This is called a text box. Okay, this is text box. Okay, a text box will appear, and then you can click on whichever. For example, I am Bhumika. Okay, and you can see how well our text is looking. Okay, and you can anytime change the layout of this particular text. Okay, if you want, you can format this particular text whichever you wish, way you wish to. For example, I want कि increase हो जाए size, see the size is increasing. I want size decrease हो जाए. Okay, I want it should be looking in a different mode, or it should be like this. Okay, और if I want कि shape fill हो इसके अंदर, मतलब I want कि थोड़ा सा highlighted नजर आए text, तो आउटलाइन इसकी मैं चाहती हूँ कि इसकी ब्लैक कलर की हो, तो देखिए ब्लैक कलर की आउटलाइन हो गई. शैडो दे, थोड़ा सा टेक्स्ट पे शैडो आ गया. ग्लो करे, यू नो ग्लोइंग इज वेरी मच नेसेसरी फॉर द स्किन एज वेल, और ग्लो तो हर एक चीज पर अच्छा लगता है, सो दैट इज वाई यहाँ पर भी अच्छा लग रहा है ग्लो हाईलाइट करने के लिए. बेसिकली तो मैंने हाईलाइट कर दिया, मुझे ग्लो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. आई वॉन्ट दैट माई टेक्स्ट शुड बी फिल्ड विद अ ब्लैक कलर से फिल हो गया. एंड दिस इज हाउ यू एक्सप्लोर एंड देन यू learn. Okay, so up till now we started about, let us first revise because we are going to move to the part 2, and it's always okay. So till now we started about finding that how we can find the text. Okay, and then we studied how we can replace the text in the document. Okay, and then the third is how we can include any shape. Okay, so shapes, inserting shapes, and then we can edit shapes as well, format भी कर सकते हैं हम shapes को. And then we also studied about inserting word art. Okay, next we are going to study that how, जब for example मैंने एक बहुत सुंदर सा document बनाया and I want कि वो मेरा ही रहे, मेरी कोई भी copy ना करे, तो इसको करने के लिए आपको next part 2 में जाना पड़ेगा. Till then, bye bye. बाय. सेव कर दे, सेव कर देते हैं. ओके, अब आपको मेरा पूरा टेक्स्ट आप नजर आ जाएगा एंड यू विल बी लाइक मैम तो ये वाला वॉलपेपर यूज करती हैं. एंड आई एम स्टॉपिंग द रिकॉर्डिंग. बाय बाय.